5 a.m. and we're on our way to Malolos, Bulacan for our 11th Regional Lay Leaders Conference. This time for the Ecclesiastical Province of Manila. Our 11th. Would you believe that? Alright, we're on our way. Now we are at 8 Waves Water Park and Hotel. This is the venue of our regional in Bulacan. So, may pancake pa sa loob. Where's the park though? In the back, I guess. Oh, good morning. Nice. Daming tao.